I represent the pretty girl Storm. Pretty girl Storm of the whole place like she have the whole place like. Anyway she play, me say she a lot that. Mother mean.
With that girl, them will sleep with that girl more than you. My man, when me hear saying that with certain girl, my man tell me, say, me would have never there with that. And have long-term relationship with that. So don't follow them man, yeah. You understand? Whether be the man or any other man, yeah, we say they don't want to sleep with Amari. Although be the man never say same daughter said that. Where she and her right to say that. Where she need to go watch her pregnancy. You understand? And I'm sure it's not for Tommy because Tommy don't want you. You understand? Yeah. So don't forget my cash app. It's pinned right there. Venice Fong Chong. And yes, me mix with Chinese. Okay, let's see what's going on there. You understand? So, me soon come off our boring argument, but as long as you keep me going so that I have money to have no, me can't. Money for me. Yeah, give it to me from your heart. I'm going to do what I want to do with it. As long as you contribute, me can stay here the whole day. Trust me, coming on nothing for them. Me have a lot to do here because my protein shake will come out and me just write the lab and tell them say that the shake there. No sir. It's supposed to smooth palm my tongue, it's shake too watery. And it take me 6 months to final response to them, but I have to do a thorough investigation. And then I'm going to send the samples that they send me, I'm sending it to another lab to find out if iron is indeed in it and all the nutrients that I mentioned. Because I want to make sure it's the iron in it for the good of them, because most of them not take them iron. That's why we're weak and can't come out of the bed. And one time we used to be on top and ride them on them, and now we just lay down like a log. And then sometimes something drop under the bed, and then we bend down to pick it up and we just get dizzy. I know I'm talking to you. Yesterday, Maka just texted me and tell me, say, Amari, me always hear you complain about your iron. And this is what she suggests that I do. So this is, you can go with this suggestion. Or also check out my protein line coming out soon that will make sure that you get your iron and everything. You understand? Because you have to take care of your good up body.
Yeah, and Amari, me hear talk about your iron level. About dates, here, the majority dates, the one with the seeds in the middle, and eat those at daytime. And you can also blend them out and drink it.
Alright, so I'm going to order my dates on Amazon.
Alright, go to the health food store and get it. And get dandelion root.
Dandelion
And sarsaparilla.
So my customer to get dandelion and sarsaparilla, you can do the same. And we are going to do that and send up with iron count. Because the dizzy feeling are easy, you know, I go to Africa and it lick me, you know, the dizzy feeling. But I made it wrong because I did start take this diet and it lower my blood pressure. Low blood pressure worse than high blood pressure. And it lick me down to Africa. And when I go to my doctor, he said, your blood pressure is super low. And you're about to go to surgery and your blood pressure is super low. So thank God I did my surgeries in Africa. Yeah, with these corns growing in my eyes. The doctor claimed that it runs in my family. Only for find out, say, at a protein drink, 4.0 or 2.0 was given me.
She had dig up files about me to Tanya.
Something about it. So the other day, I come back from Africa, never can't start growing. I said, no, I'm not going to do no more surgery.
Suki check Amari.
Stop drinking them right away and it'll go back in. You understand? And I swapped that in exchange for this. I want to share this with you because since I started drinking this, everything we tell you is good for you, you know, but anything where you do too much is not good for you. And I know you goodies. Y'all have a way when I tell you something, you buy out everything I left me with. No, may I beg you, left a little for me now, come, I have to bring them go Africa. Wonder Slim. God, it tastes like orange juice. I throw it in my glass with my water. And my eyes, and I drink it, and I get 15 to 20 grams of protein, and the slimness continue. And my belly full, and my thirst quench. So you gotta definitely check out the Wonder Slim. I saw the box look. I get it on Amazon, and then I need to pay me Wonder Slim. But anyway, anything for my goodies. You feel me? And my vitamin D, me can't bother take a tablet them. You understand? So me buy out them, you know. Immune and 100 milligram vitamin C plus vitamin D and zinc. See, they just buy emergency, but them have the new one will come out, emergency. C like in cat. You understand? And start drinking one a day, cause you understand, I can't afford for you dead from corona. Cause if you take sick, die from corona, I don't know how y'all gonna watch Mari. Although I have enough up here watch me right now. You know, rest in peace, my fans who have moved on. I know that you'll forever watch me and watch over me. But we don't need nobody else for that this year, yeah? So you got the names right there. So I ain't get $1 for that. Come on now, girls. Do better than that. My name is right there, tagged Denise Feng Chang. Send me your donations. Next time I'm going to be on YouTube and over here at the same time and Facebook. But I just lent Anwar one of my phones. Samantha. I know I make you very unhappy, but Samantha, I don't believe in helping fans more than once. Because I have too many fans. You understand? I've helped you before. And I say, okay, I didn't realize it was you. So I say, okay, I'm going to help you again. And then when I went on my Cash App showed me that I helped you before. So I said, no. Because there are too many people out there for help. But I do hope that you're doing fine. So what is DJ Biggs up to? I'm on your live. Love what you're doing. Keep it up. Big up to DJ Biggs. So, oh, what's going on here? Did I call him? Oh my gosh. I hope I don't get in trouble. I don't usually call people. They're calling me, right? Dumb. Video call. Move my face. He said, oh man, hope not. Let me tell you. Yash. Hi. 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 Me, you and my man left me. Look like him come from Pakistan. Can you see? You just have to look on them. Indian, Pakistan, for my man go left me. And if you look too long, you just see where them show you them private parts. And I feel it's a curse to see a private parts that is not your man private parts. So I don't think you should. I just don't even like to see a glimpse. You know what I'm saying? It's just like a curse.
Hello?
Yeah, darling.
Them don't have it.
Them not have the Cash App.
No.
You know what though? I have good news for you.
Oh, me?
Yeah, remember she have one more thing for do. Just activate my Bank of America, so I go attach it to my MoneyGram, and I go send you her money for the fund. So make sure you leave your mother name, the one where she have the ID in her. I just need Shawnee to go.
Talk to my mother. Talk to my mother.
No, me not have time for all that. Just tell your mother. Me talk to her later. Yeah? Later.
Yeah.
Me talk to her later, but you not text me. Cause too much call are coming. You know, you never start something and don't finish. I got to accomplish this. What I have to accomplish now? Now show my card online. Alright, I have to go put my card on my MoneyGram. I think I have MoneyGram on the phone, yeah. Shelter friend. Who me call me shelter friend? Hey Mona, can you help me out for Christmas? Hey Amari, I really need your help. Hey Amari, I know a lot of people asking. I genuinely need your help. Please, I can explain. One thing though, no say if me help you before. Normally when
Amari programs Maddie as our shelter friend. Nah, the live done. Trust me. Can never just show it sitting. When she start video, she pause, she come back, and she a real cut and paste. Still waiting on Amari. Oh, why is this thing freezing? Sorry.
Have a talk to you. Man, that's gonna call me. Forgot to follow me on the page there, no. That's my next son follow me. Seems to me now.
Me see the big difference, Tom.
Okay. Hold on. Shit, maybe I'm on what them left. Never can. One. I want to be your son. And me and my call up and shooting again last Saturday on my soul. I said typically. That's true. Oh shit. When did I? No, don't there. I'm not telling for over my thing for when me one. And I stayed on about my cat. Really swear. Don't wash my hand. I can't manage it no more. Can't manage it no more. Yeah, one from the
But they are foreign and me alone. Me not no else. Yeah, my family, me and never
Yeah,
got
70 Adventist, what you do over here?
him same one.
Sun not set till
No,
6. Kasara, lift up.
And him come.
Adventist.
And the
Joke me I
baby
make.
come. And the baby and his father come to you. I think I only come to you. And the baby and his father they come to you. Or my auntie they come to you. Yeah. Not him. No, not him. Him a baller. TJ, the big one. Them father there would eat the 5,000% to him. Yeah.
Did that work?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
God, sometimes I tell me quit. After I go work, the woman where met me and I, let me get my suspension, I go tell the other woman to tell me, say, oh, today no work, there's no work. So if it come tomorrow. I say, excuse me, I'm on schedule, and I say, excuse me, I say, how about me not come at all? I can't bother.
Yeah, she always a quick brush. Then I look on her. Me hear this every month.
I'm over it. Just some Bojangles.
Did they hear?
I need some fried chicken and fries and dirty rice. I'm gonna make the popcorn.
She always a eat something.
No, me eat popcorn come ready for that.
Brush, don't ask her no. Cause I like, don't worry about her. She will be back. She quit every month. Don't listen to her.
But I finish eat, there's something in my mouth and contact. Well, mm-hmm. I don't tell the internet cheap.
I'm not cheap, you know, I just think them need to change my box. Right now, out of order. Internet and cable bill, enough money for it.
So I don't ask people. I'm gonna eat one more something. Hold on, one more and then we're done. Wow. One more. Boy, I want to talk, but I'm afraid to talk to off here something to stop. Pause.
You know, pause, chat away.
Anyways, people, and if I don't disappear.
Right, Luscious?
You know, that's why I don't like compound, I like, because I notice when me and Brassy come, well, I don't know, actually, I don't know if I could eat. Yeah.
Just talk, man.
I always have something to say about we clapping one more time, eating. Good body, forget to eat. I notice that we come and feel like one night, but I couldn't manage it. One night I was so low down, dirty and nasty. Like, I just,
Last night.
last night,
Yeah.
but I said to myself, say, me no want associate with these people. Me no want be apartheid. It just low down. It was so hurtful. Why words can't describe? Because me have to pick words what Tanya got understand. Okay, if me really speak, I'm gonna use some words and Tanya understand it. So me have to just break it down. Because I know she over here. But it was so low. Me know who did I enjoy that the live there. I couldn't stay live. When Don come on and Dan start talk, and Annie come on and Annie talk and I cry. Me couldn't manage it. I couldn't manage the people. I don't know. I think loving people business has for me. I never know say it have no limit, but that night, Missy say,
Last night.
yeah, just realize say, me not love people business as much as Island Candy. Me I tell you, it was just low and dirty.
You hear the laugh? I don't know what kind of lie she had telling on.
No man, it was
Not about this, but about people business. Yeah, that was just so sad. The way I speak is sad. When I run, go and tell Diary about me, I cry. Well, when you see me, I cry, people. I so lie and wicked. No, sound bad.
the people them so Diary where they party life where they would have see you. I let get there cry.
They lie. It's too bad.
No, but in I make like Annie a cry. Here Cassara she jump up. Lord, it look like me miss enough. Boy Dan for your body. Boy Dan, I don't know if your body just stay good. Me not lie.
Dan, we over there watching this morning.
Everything in the right places them.
I show them how you keep stocky.
What?
Ray.
Mama, come on. Dan. Boy Dan.
That's all right, go back to church.
Well, I last part me catch, but it was well festive. Me feel like me did there.
No, festive bad, Dan.
Miami, Dr. Miami, oh your body just symmetry and just sit down for you. Your body they just make for you. Yeah, girl, man, I lie.
That's why I can't tell if it dash $1,000 on that. Ray.
No dental, no bend up, no.
No lumpy.
I never porridge that at all. I never cold porridge. Yeah, it over the keep to them and all that. Over the keep. I'm not ask Christ over the keep. Between Donna, Annie, now go on. Like the sea.
I know other day when Adi take off her man clothes and come out in a tight suit.
Yes. And he come right out for chewing and he said she go for panty. If you tell Annie for calm down, she don't want the whole place. I was soup. May I tell her? I really soup and never no porridge. It wasn't any porridge. I'm not asking Christ. Christ have to ask me. Lord of God. Don't want to come on because I don't even know what I do in your life. I'm richer.
But just come on through Amari. When they watch it to myself and the dead will laugh, so I decide we can laugh with the people them. And then come on for no special reason.
I wonder I'm rich by your life, Carl. I know me that.
Are you Carl?
I know I'm rich, but it come like me just finger fearing. I saw me stay when me can't type, come here eat, me notice my call you. But if me name I'm not here, don't want add. All right.
At least we know one or two you can't spell.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. I'm lying in my bed in my chair now. No, big up yourself, Dire Straight. You know I love you girls. Listen, I that me a trace a tiny grudge my fa. I used to that dance when me that play when me keep a dance there. It did ram bam 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 so the haters them in America. From me keep the ram dance after every dance me keep after that a police come, pay police. But keep all the dance them names there as you dear and me get stripper to come wine for them, I mean, I tell you, said, be money, the girl get plus me for PR. Me not go on with big things. I'm tell you, say, haters, I say, I'm tell you, say, listen, me not really afraid of people. You understand? Me not care what them say them are going to do to me. Enough of them want to send me to prison. Enough of them want me for dead. Why? So my mother give me a good body. So me a 52-year-old, I can't wine, talk truth. When me tell you some can't wine good, me can't wine good. Can you not answer say yes to the wine?
No, yeah, me say yeah, I should be far from the fourth star.
We can't
No,
wine
man.
good.
If you rewatch the video, you will see how we went there going over here, really.
I see it, my friend. Oh, we just a wine now, just a go on. So, Kenny is a person. I'm telling him, he's a December Sagittarius person. And I can't tell you how every Sagittarius stay. We're full of fun. We love excitement. Love excitement. Me not lie to you. We love excitement bad. You understand? And guess what happen? If you're not genuine, you will eat for how we can go on with ourselves. You understand? But that's not nothing where we are adapt as something we're coming away. All right, like you say, Annie, you know, everybody know Annie lifestyle already. I saw Annie just come out more time and go out with herself, put on her little jewel them, put on her little bad man clothes them, and go out with herself. When we go a party, I'm tell you what happened, Candy. The party is mine. You keep your party and from the start wine and jiggle and go on with the blood clotting them. If me not mind trap your video man steerish part me there and they forgot say you're a party. That's all me like. That's like all me love to go on. Sometimes I
I'm going to have fun.
yes, I don't some stay from the music start play. Real safe for drink like a blood clot NC. But forgot say you're a party Candy. I mean, I'm here. That's all me stay. I'll call in TG, so call in stay too, you know.
Can't tell.
Sometime when Colin get to blood clot, me have to say, no, sir. Make me hold back. Me and Colin can't do this together. It's either she do it or me do it. Because the two we cannot do it together. You understand?
No, lock down the people them party.
Yeah, I have some people them just eat. Why? For what? For what? What big woman and we are enjoy ourselves to the fullest. We don't come for catch man. We not begging in a party. If a boy have anything over with me name good at Tel Aviv, you know. Very, very good, you know. And when I come on the plane, you know, I say to myself, thank you, Father God. My pussy no left back at Jamaica, they on the plane with me. You understand? You know the girl in your Mitchell where they are England?
Yeah.
The whole of we used to do at Tel Aviv to get one. Look at me as social hype.